This is the dollar CAD trade here. 260K at an expected 300 in the US, and 35K at an expected 15 out of Canada. And the Canada labor market has been particularly strong all year long. That was why the Bank of Canada was so aggressive in their hiking. And only the last meeting, they kind of got all shaky and afraid and said, well, we don't know if we may have to take those rate hikes back, and we now have to wait and see. So it was a very, very angst type of statement from a central bank. You don't get to those all too often. So this is a relief for them. They're very happy about it, and you can. That is why you see dollar CAD move most, because it had the most pressure build up onto it. If the labor market had come in soft out of Canada, that would have been a big push for the dollar CAD to the upside. But now, this is everything really out as planned. You can see markets still pushing. Euro actually now playing with the 117 on a daily basis. That's the 100-day moving average as well. So will be interesting to see if it can push back into its trading range of the shoulders here. If we can hold there on a daily close, that would be very, very, very positive. But I'm not all too sure. I think the euro needs more impulses, more reasons to really continue to show strength in that regard. I think we're rather somewhere between a 115.70 and a 117 for now. We need more reasons. But anyway, I mean, I can't complain. I had two trades, two small trades, hardly took a risk on them, and brought back 160 bucks home. I think my weekend beer is here. Good time to sell the euro dollar, Ayush is asking. Well, if you believe in the euro stuck in the range, then yes. But I still see the downside limited. I don't see a lot of pips going up here. And generally, let's look through the markets for a moment. I mean, here's the euro. We went up. If we don't reach the 117, I would sell back into the euro. Yes, I think that's not unreasonable at all. It may have the juice now to still test the 117, but I think it might be rejected here. I would be surprised to continue to see real dollar weakness prevail in this market. But at the end of the day, the markets do whatever it does. It's not. I'm just a guy with one opinion at the end of the day. So please make up your own. And I'm happy for us to do things together. But I'm not telling you that what I say is the only truth to it. It's not. It's not. It's completely not. So you see, even the Aussie traced back very handsomely. But again, that's also more of a entry for a sell back down than the other way around. I'd rather sell the Aussie than the euro, if you ask me this way, Ayush. But like I said, make up your decision at the end of the day yourself. But you see, dollar yen actually pushing further to the downside. It could have remained in the trade a little bit. You can see, look, if I make it a little bit smaller. Wait, let's just change this. You can see better. So I entered here, I exited here. Well, I didn't lose all so much. Look, I mean, that's 10 pips. You never can buy at the very, sell at the very top and buy at the very low. So I think that's a decent trade to do over NFPs. Yeah, we see markets not really done yet, so dollar weakness prevail a little bit here. So let's see. I mean, Jerome Powell yesterday being the new Fed chair successor, named by Donald Trump, is also something rather weighing on the US dollar. So, seeing that dollar yen, sorry, that dollar CAD I'm showing here. Where's the dollar yen? One second. Am I stupid? Why am I not seeing it? Nasdaq, dollar CAD. Oh, because it's twice dollar CAD now. Why is that the case? I know why. Because I, sorry, my bad. But anyway, so you see, dollar yen. I didn't even lose so much. I only had this very small trade. Yeah, it kicked me out too early. But you see the spike. That's what I'm saying. Dollar is not dead. The Canadian dollar is a different story because it has a strong labor market on top of a not so good U.S. report. But the others, I think they're just going to oscillate, or continue to oscillate within the range. There's not a reason for them to really break out in a big fashion. Especially not on a Friday, beginning of the month. We're not at the end of the month. Yeah, guys, and that's pretty much it for today here on the NFP. So, pretty neat, short, and surgical, precise transaction today. I think I can't complain. Had somewhat the same over the Bank of England yesterday. I hope you enjoyed the seating here, and I'd be glad to welcome you here again next time around. For now, thank you very much, and enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.